Hi there! Would you like to keep up to date with real-time Bitbucket updates direct to your Google Chat Spaces? How about receiving scheduled activity reports so you can review the previous day or week's activities? Google Chat integration for Bitbucket by MoveWork Forward can do all this, and maybe even a little more. To receive notifications, the setup is fairly quick and simple. Install the app and go to Google Chat from your Bitbucket config. Click on Create Configuration. Provide a suitable name. Go to the Google Chat space where you wish to receive notifications. Grab the webhook and paste it in. You can choose the configuration level, however this can also be done on a project and repository level. Specify which type of events you wish to be notified about. You can also configure what level of information is provided in the notification with the message fields. Feel free to test the connection to ensure everything is set up, and then click Save to start receiving notifications. Configuring activity reports is just as easy. Go to the repository settings, select Google Chat, then go to Activity Reports and create a new one. Provide a suitable name. As before, grab the webhook for the space where you wish to receive the reports and paste it in. Specify how old the pull request should be before it's considered inactive. Finally, choose if you want to receive the reports daily or weekly, and at what time the report should be received at. Test the connection should you wish. Click Save, and now you'll start receiving activity reports of all your daily or weekly activities. One last handy feature is that you can access the activity reports whenever you wish directly from Bitbucket. Just go to a previously created report, click on View Activity, and you will get an update of all the daily or weekly information directly from Bitbucket. And if you like this, feel free to check out some other great Bitbucket apps by MoveWork Forward. Thanks.